Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your invoices in Wave Accounting easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Wave Accounting dashboard. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Invoices section from the main menu. Locate the invoice you want to verify. Click on the invoice to open its details. Review the invoice date to ensure it is correct. Check the customer information for accuracy. Examine the line items to confirm the quantities and prices. Make sure any discounts or taxes are correctly applied. Look for the total amount due at the bottom of the invoice. Verify that payment terms are clearly stated and accurate. Check for additional notes or terms that may apply. If everything looks correct, note any inconsistencies. If adjustments are needed, click on the Edit button. Make the necessary changes to the invoice. Once completed, click Save to update the invoice. If the invoice is correct, you may proceed to send it. Select the option to email the invoice directly to the customer. Check that the email address is accurate before sending. You can also download a PDF version if needed. If you encounter any issues, consult the Wave support resources. Take a moment to review your changes before finalizing. Your invoice verification process in Wave Accounting is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.